I'm so excited that you wanted to learn a little bit more about telehealth concierge with elliemd. So elliemd is all focused on preventative health and being able to access it to people in their homes. We are broken up into three different categories right now: longevity, sexual health, and weight management, but soon to come blood diagnostic kits that will be able to come straight to your door. You will be able to put this little butterfly button on your bicep. You push the button, it pricks your skin. Blood actually gets sucked into a vial that you then ship off FedEx 24 hours later. You get a full panel of your hormone health, whether you're a man or a woman, or you could use the blood diagnostic kit for weight management, and you will have a doctor that will be able to explain and walk you through it. We will also have hormone replacement for men by the end of this year, and going into 2025, we'll have hormone replacement for women. This is really important to me, and the reason I partnered with this company is because I believe in preventative health. I had cancer in 2020, 2021, and I know for a fact that it was estrogen-driven ovarian cancer, and that if I had had my hormones checked and knew that they were all out of whack, I probably would have never had that cancer. And post-cancer, I had to really take advantage of learning about my own health and finding things that were important to me. And I've had no way this last year and a half to share this with other people because what I've been doing is so expensive. Going to a functional PA, getting the products and the peptides that they suggested, it's been very expensive. So to find a company that is all about preventative health that you can do from the luxury of your own home and be able to have a telehealth person to talk to, doctor to talk to, and get the products that are best for you right now, it is incredible. And this is why I had to partner with this company. The prices are definitely affordable. And with the cost of your product that you purchase, you not only get the product and free shipping, you also get that telehealth doctor to help walk you through it, and you get 24/7 medical care hotline. So it's so exciting, and I cannot wait to get you more information. There's an opportunity here to not only help people with these products, but also to earn money. So if you're interested, you can actually earn a commission off of all the sales that you bring in. You can earn anywhere from 20 to 40% based on the sales that you brought in for the month. And then you also have an opportunity to build a team of other people who want to go out there and help others, and you will be able to be rewarded for it as you help them grow as well. So if you have any questions, get back to me. I would love to answer any questions that you have. Send you the compensation plan if you're interested in that, or just send you my link so you can check out what products are best for you right now.